everybody, it's me Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day so far today, because today I'm going to do a little review on the Mainstays Yarn. It's a Walmart brand yarn. I found it the other day, thought it was kind of interesting, so I thought I would try it out, and today I'm going to give you my opinion and my thoughts on it. Before we get into it though, real quick, I want to say thank you for everyone who has subscribed to my channel. Thank you for liking, commenting, and sharing my videos. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so now. Don't forget to hit the little bell icon when you do. That way you're notified when I upload. And there'll be links in the description below if you'd like to follow me on Facebook or join my private Facebook group. Alright, the Mainstays Yarn at Walmart. Now this was very inexpensive. It was $1.97 per skein, and you get, like, let me see, right here it is, 397 yards per skein. Let me bring you guys in so you can read with me. It's 397 yards per skein for $1.97, not bad. It is a worsted weight, medium 4 yarn. It calls for a 5.5 millimeter needle and a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. It is machine washable and dryable, so that's always good. You don't have to take too much special care of it. And like I said, it's exclusively at Walmart, and it's 100% acrylic. So I know some people out there are not too big on acrylic yarns. I get that, but some people don't mind them. This also comes with a pattern on the inside of the label. They have knit patterns and crochet patterns. I went ahead and I had bought 5 skeins. I thought I would try it out, and what I've noticed, I have knit with it and crocheted with it, and what I've noticed, it's really not that bad. There's worse out there, trust me. This wasn't, I didn't mind it really at all. It does have a center pull, and it pulls very nice. With all the skeins I've had, this is the only one I haven't used, and they all had this nice center pull, easy to find, no big knots come out when you try to pull it, so that was pretty convenient. I haven't ran into any knots in the center of the skein. Not saying that they don't exist or that you won't if you purchase this yarn, but I personally have not ran into any knots, and I haven't really had any problems with this at all. It's been pretty easy to work with. It's not as scratchy as some of the yarns out there. It's pretty soft, it's warm. I think it would be perfect for the beginner knitter or the beginner crocheter. If you're practicing stitches or just practicing patterns and you don't want to invest too much money in the expensive yarn, practice with this. You could make scarves, hats, blankets, you can make anything out of this, and I don't really think it's all that bad. I know some people, they've tried it, they haven't liked it, and that's all personal opinion, and that's all I'm giving you today is my personal opinion, is I don't mind this yarn at all. I think it's a really nice alternative. I'll bring you in close so you can actually see like the structure of the yarn, but it's fuzzy. It doesn't look high quality by no means, but I promise you it crochets and knits up just as nice as anything else. It's easy to work with. You can pull it and break it, but you can do that with a lot of yarns. But you really have to give it a tug. It's not too fuzzy. It is a little fuzzy, but nothing, outrageous. Like I said, I've seen worse. I've worked with worse before, and I actually paid more money for those worse yarns. But this, I didn't mind at all. Like I said, this is Mainstays. It's a Walmart brand yarn. It was $1.97 a skein, and you get almost 400 yards per skein, so that's a lot, especially if you're new. You can do a lot for very little money, and I didn't mind it. I think it's a bonus that it's machine washable and dryable, and I really like it. Their colors, I think, are a little, there's nothing outrageous in their colors. Like this is burgundy. It could be a wine, it could be a berry. It's burgundy. But yeah, I don't know. I think it's very nice. And the added bonus, the pattern in the center, or on the label, it's always nice to have a pattern. But yeah, I don't mind it. Let me know if you guys have ever used it in the comments below, if you've liked it, or if you don't like it, or if you do like it, let me know. But yeah, that's my take on the Mainstays yarn from Walmart. I didn't think it was that bad. Let me know what you think. But that's going to be it for today, guys. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now. And don't forget to hit that little bell icon. That way you're notified when I upload, and in the description below will be links if you want to follow me on Facebook or if you want to join my private Facebook group. So until next time, guys, I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day, and happy knitting and happy crocheting. Bye.